Hi guys, a quick video today about Turbo Wax Quick Detailer Plus. So Turbo Wax Quick Detailer Plus can be applied to a ceramic coated surface, could be to a painted surfaces, glass, wheels, power coated wheels, door jambs, headlights, tail lights, just to mention a few. You can also apply the Quick Detailer Plus to a wet surface or a dry surface. Today I'm going to show you how we apply it to a dry surface. First step, shake the bottle well. This 16-ounce bottle will give you 25 applications. Second, get yourself a microfiber towel, clean towel, and you're gonna go and just make one small splash. You're gonna go and glide it into the surface, back and forth, cover the area that you're working on. After that, you're gonna turn the microfiber to the dry side. You're gonna remove any residue that might be visible, and voila, there you have it. It's a great product for quick maintenance. Turbo Wax Quick Detailer Plus, only in turbowax.com. Check us on Instagram, Turbo Wax.